Okay, here's where the dish can go two ways. For the classic Mexican style, use Mexican oregano and finish it traditionally. For the Mediterranean twist, I'm using regular oregano, then later adding yogurt and optional feta cheese. That's what makes it lighter, bold, and still rooted to the original. Adjust the ingredients, especially jalapenos, depending how spicy you like it. I like it really spicy, so I use the whole jalapeno. That's hot, but that's the way I like it. Enjoy. This dish is light but very satisfying, perfect for busy nights or anyone eating healthier without giving up the flavor. If you like this Mediterranean twist, explore my other videos and be sure to like and subscribe for more. Don't miss the next recipe. It's another one-pan wonder that you want to try. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until next time, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.